tonight. All right, so here we're by Hemlock Park, and people are floating down the river. Isn't this cool? Tristan and I do this every summer.
How do they get back?
It goes all the way around. There's a couple stops. They go.
Where are the tubes coming from?
They rent them up there. You can tube, or you can rent a kayak. There's a guy coming down on a kayak. See? You can canoe, kayak, inner tube. Just all you do is sit in it and you just float down in it. Isn't that cool?
How does it keep moving?
The current, it keeps going that way. See, it's kayaking. We're at Hemlock Park. This is a cool park. I remember this. Torrin and Kelly are over there playing. All right. See you guys later.